ekasi bafowethu emkhukhwini, emaholobosheni, emakasana, elokishini. Mangithi elokishini, mangithi emjipa mfana, mangithi emaholobeshini mfana, ngikhuluma mfana ngekasi mfana elikhona ngapha phezulu bathi kuseTalton. Le ndawo lena esemkhali city. Big up to you guys abantu baseTalton. Hayi ngiyaniphakamisa bafowethu. Hayi nawushaya umkhukhu. Hayi nawushaya. But remember bafowethu, umkhukhu is our culture and we must embrace the idea of the invention of umkhukhu emakasana by our grandfathers and our grandmothers. It must be something that needs to be built ngama measurements, afakwe ama lentoza, ama aluminum windows, afakwe ama sliding doors, you know. Umkhukhu bafowethu is very nice. Mina ngifuna ukunitshela, and umkhukhu, you can make umkhukhu ukuthi ube safe if you want ukuthi umkhukhu ube safe, ukufana nebonda like ubonda lestina. But it's simple to craft ema design ngezenke ndoda than istina, because izenke uyakhona ukuligoba, uyakhona ukulikhatha, uyakhona ukwenzani. Let's start normalizing how to build our shacks bafowethu. Let us make our shacks look beautiful, so that ukuthi even someone else abone imkhukhu and then will like maybe to have something like that bafowethu. By the way, this is South Africa. The province is Gauteng, or I don't know, Northwest. Is it Northwest? I think it's Northwest because it falls under Mohali City or something. This is Talton or Talton, somewhere on your way to Magaliesberg. On your way to Magaliesberg, yeah. You will find this place somewhere on your way to Magaliesberg when we are using Krugersdorp Road from N14. I'm not sure. Ngiyayibona eminye imkhukhu ayikho to that standard, but most of imkhukhu elana, it's organized, clean, amayada clean, njengoba nibona abantwana amayada wabo are clean labantu, they are organized. I'm not saying, I think lana maybe it's because we don't have enough space, you know what I mean, to build this kind of shacks. But even though singathola ispace, abantu bafike nje bavele bakokotele. Somebody will just come azokokotela aqede afake isivalo, agaxe ichain enye enkulu esivalweni esinye esislender. Ubone ukuthi akasicabangeli nalesa isivalo, siqaqa nje ikatane elikhulu neloko enkulu ukuthi noma udlula lapha yana uyibona ukuthi hayi lo muntu akekho ukhile. But look at this yard bafethu, look at this, ma old lady uyawasha imkhukhu yalana inamavarandi bafethu, amavarans nama gardens, kune khishi, kune dining room, kune playroom yabantwana, kunama bedroom awu2. Uthini phela, this thing can save us a lot of money bafowethu, because think about bona kwakhona nama double story umkhukhu, amaglazi lawa bona lapha yana baba. Cava lo mkhukhu lo yana mfowethu, cava lo mkhukhu lona clean baba, clean cut mfowethu, clean cut, yeah, clean cut. Lento ingasavela into eziningi, ingasavela imali yokuthenga amasimende nezitina, ama concrete, yabona ubiza umuntu azokwakhela aze nabantu inqwaba, abantu bazodla imali yakho. But ngamazenke, you just have to put your 4 corners or 6 corners or 8 corners, whatever corners that you want to put. Make sure ukuthi ushaya amakhona wakho abe strong, and then make strong. But look at this, look at this in Chayaka, man. Look at the walls, the gates. Bona man, amabonda yonke into isharp. Yonke into isharp, organized. Yabo, hayi umuntu uzofika laphana ashaye umlengeleng wamazenge ngemuva nangaphambili. Yabona la iroof awuyiboni la. Iroof awuyiboni. Wabona la lo basawukhanda lo. Yabona la clean cut baba. Capa, clean cut. Umkhukhu la. Ngifisa ukubona masuphelile ukuthi obunjani. Yeah, some of them better, but you can see ukuthi these people from wabona lona njengalo unamanye amazenke arusile kunenye piece sasentsha yabona nawe, it is still brand new. You can see ukuthi lo muntu extender year by year extender. At the end of the day uzoba nawo ama-room anele for i-family yakhe. You know what I mean? It's a solid home. Look at that one. This is South Africa, by the way. Yeah, kwenye ndawo ngapha bathi kuseTalton. Yeah, it falls under, I don't know if it's Northwest or it's Gauteng, but it's under Mogale City, on your way to Magaliesburg. Yeah, you'll find this place there. Bona. Big window, Charlie. Big window. Covered ID. Wabana mikhuka batho abangemintle, guys. Serious. We must start normalizing to build our shacks like this. Re tlohele di fartha tse re di agantse. Ape ke di fartha tse. O kre motho a agile ka billboard ya Ntate Mandela mola. A agile mokhukhu mola ka billboard ya Ntate Jacob Zuma mola. Come on, guys. Let's normalize to use tape measures, spirit level. Babanchi ba ibitsa ka waterpass bona, and then normalize lo penta, guys. Match bona daiding bona elela ke le zenge monna batho ba Talton nna kletse ka lona. Yeah, bona fela wena bona.